Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, and happy Valentine's Day to all my dolls watching. I had a lot of fun creating this look for you guys, and I know I've been gone for a really long time, but your girl is back once again, and we're gonna try to be more consistent this year. This video is also in collab with UNICE hair. They did send me some great hair, but we're gonna talk about that in the ending of the video. I just want you guys to relax and enjoy this look.
You break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's all little things. I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rolling up the drove. I just had to let her know. Yes, I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rolling up the drove. I just had to let her know. I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow. Kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the no. She like me cause my chain lights no. Uber outside, baby girl, let's go. I fall back, you take control. You want more, just let me know. Snatch her heart, I take her soul. You just gotta let me know. Cause you break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down, then you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's all little thing. You break it down when you hop on a thing. And you get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow. You get mad when you rap on it. I lay down and you rap on it. Hey, Jay. Lay down and you rap on it. Hey, Jay. I know it, I got you where you show it. You roll it, I take over, control it. You break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's all little things. I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rolling up the drove. I just had to let her know. Yes, I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rolling up the drove. I just had to let her know. I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow. Kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the no. She like me cause my chain lights no. Uber outside, baby girl, let's go. I fall back, you take control. You want more, just let me know. Snatch her heart, I take her soul. You just gotta let me know. Cause you break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down, then you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's all little thing. You break it down when you hop on a thing. And you get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the I know it, I got you here, you show it. You rollin', I take over, control it. You break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rap on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's our little thing. I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rollin' up the drove. I just had to let her know. Yes, I kill her with the flow. She ride, but little does she know. On my left side, I rollin' up the drove. I just had to let her know. I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow. Kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the, kill her with the no. She like me cause my chain like snow. Uber outside, baby girl, let's go. I fall back, you take control. You want more, just let me know. Snatch her heart, I take her soul. You just gotta let me know. Cause you break it down when you hop on a thing. You get mad when you rock on a thing. I lay down, then you climb on a thing. Tell no one that's our little thing. You break it down when you hop on a thing. And you get mad when you rock on a thing. I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow. I know it, I got you where you show.
Now for my hair, guys, UNICE was nice enough to send me a lace frontal 18-inch body wave wig. When I first got the hair, on the initial touch, it was like a really soft. Even after the co-wash, I felt like it got really softer after the co-wash. This is the box that the hair came in. It's a little damaged. It was damaged when I got it. But yeah, it says Merry Christmas on it because they did send it to me as a Christmas gift. The wig also came with a pack of wig caps, a detachable and like a buildable kind of elastic band, and the hair came in this long big plastic bag, plastic ziploc, I guess. So for styling, all I'm really gonna do is part my hair straight down the middle. I'm not flat ironing my hair or anything of this sort. I'm gonna like do like this kind of wet look because when I did film this tutorial, I was going right to bed after. I really wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't want to do anything drastic. So I'm gonna take my Nairobi foaming mousse. I think that's what it is. It's a mousse. I don't know if it's like a setting mousse or whatever. It's a mousse. Okay, and it's from Nairobi. I'm taking like a lot of pumps of that, as you can see, and I'm just gonna saturate this all throughout the hair. And this is just gonna help the hair, like it's gonna help it scrunch and like look wet in a kind of way. And yeah, that's the kind of look that I was going for. So I'm just gonna apply it like around my hairline and all through the ends, and yeah.
I lay down and you climb on a thing. Tell no one I told my ex I kill her with the no. How you tell by money and I blow my ex I kill her with the no. How you
Now I'm also gonna add the Cream of Nature setting. It's a styling mousse. This is specifically for styling, specifically for making your hair curl and letting it set in place. So I'm gonna just add this as well.
You rollin', I take over, controllin'. You break it down when you hop on the thing. You get mud when you ride on the thing. I lay down and you climb on the thing. Tell no one that's our little thing.
Okay guys, and this is the completed look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. And once again, happy Valentine's Day to all my dolls watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we dropping videos like crazy this year, okay? And I love you guys. Later.
Know what to know. How you tell by money and I blow my ex